Hi guys. Okay. Hi guys, sound checks 1, 2. Can you hear me? If you can hear me, say hi David, let me know if you can hear me. Okay guys. Okay, soundtrack. Today is every bi-weekly crypto parfait. Long time no see here, almost like 2 weeks to 1 month. I'm not so sure yet. Because the time passed really fast, man. Okay, check sound check, sound check, sound checks. Okay, if you hear me, say hi David, let me know you can hear me. I saw there's like more, there's 20 in YouTube's and the other in Discord's. Okay, Discord, who is like ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. Damn annoying, man. Okay, give me a minute. Okay, we give another 2 more minutes to let everyone ready and let myself ready. David. Oh my god, La Boo Boo, he's here. Okay, I think everyone can hear. Guys, those that in Discord, can you hear me? Okay, good, can, no problem. Okay, before about going further on like this, to check on everyone's message. Testing 1, 2. Good. Okay. Soundtrack. So I want to start soon. I thought funny. Oh, I know why already. Testing 1, 2. Yeah, finally. Testing 1, 2. Testing 1, 2. Can you hear me now? Okay, good. Finally. Okay, great. So long time no see here today. Thank you so much for everyone coming to this live today. So being straightforward, and as far as you know, my life, I don't like to spend a lot of time. I just want to be straightforward. So congratulations to everyone that based on last life, we make a good profit. Okay, you know our stop loss is below 106,000. And I believe that lots of you are already making some profit. Some of you are maybe 5%, 3%. Okay, not a big money, but somehow that is still. How many of you, because of the life itself, you make money, you open long trades, you type yes, let me know. You type profit, let me know first. Okay. Hi Diana. Great. Okay. You know, last we need to go back to the summary. It's about last week. What we did. It's about the um, last 2 weeks. We talks about you can just go for long for Bitcoin in somewhere between 109, 110, but your stop loss 107, but your stop loss have to be below 106. Okay, it go as high as 107. So almost hit our stop loss, but it didn't. Okay, our entry price is somewhere between 111, 110. So right now we are making somewhere about 2 to 3%. And also same with Ethereum. Ethereum is somewhere we enter price is about 4,003. So right now it's 4,004. So which is still quite good. Okay. How? Yeah. Well, who did I draw this? Not bad. Okay. So right now, right? Okay, I know some of you already start to make profit, but somehow this profit, should I continue to hold it, or Bitcoin, is it going to receive its cycle to come down already? You know, today's topic is a bit different here. It's about we are here to talk about some type of geopolitics reasons and also some kind of fundamental reasons that why Bitcoin is going to repeat the cycle or is it not going to repeat the cycle? Okay, a 4-year cycle. How many of you are really interested with this 4-year cycle? You still believe that if you think that Bitcoin is going to repeat the 4-year cycle, you type 1. If you think that Bitcoin it is not going to repeat the cycle and it is always bull market, it's you type 2. Let me know. Hi Malasavi. Malasavi, last 2 week live, do you get to buy it in with a good price and make some good profit? Okay, I want to see 1 and 2. Okay, hey guys, right now we got about 100 over people here. I only see 3 respond. How about the others? What are you doing? Okay, okay, I can see like 4, 2, 2, 2, 50, 50. Well, how many of you feel like you don't know? You type 3. Okay. Okay, congrats, Mala. Okay, 2. Okay, so today we are here to talk about the first topic. It's about, okay, before moving further, right, I want to talk about the reason of geopolitics issues. Okay, today a bit of fundamental, a bit of short story here, but somehow I just want to bring it up to you, every one of you here, because I believe that we are right now in September. You know, every 4 years, what happened? You know, every 4 years, we said before, right? Every 4 years, it is going to be a bear market, isn't it? A 4-year cycle. So based on this, look at it. Like what happened like last time in 2018. So Bitcoin from end of 2017, which means that from September until December, it goes up like crazy. Can you see that? It goes up like 466%. Then after that, it crashed down. Bitcoin from 3,000 shoots until 20,000. Early of the year, from January, it crashed down until end of the year, it crashed out 83%. Okay, then after it repeated again. Okay, and this is a bit different because of COVID, but it continued went up back. So in 2020, 2 years later, it continued goes up. Okay, until a real bull market in 2021. Okay, a real bull market, it continued goes up here. Then after that, at
top of the price is somewhere between October to November. Then after that, it crashed down. Okay, it crashed down. So right now, right, every 4 years, that is 2020, that is 2021, which means 2017 is a bull market. 4 years later, 2021 is a bull market. So every 4 years, but this time is November. November is the last tip top price. Okay, this is December is the last tip top price before the Christmas. So maybe this year is October. We don't know, 1 month earlier, isn't it? So it crashed down again. This time it crashed down somewhere between only about 75%. Then it keep on going on bull market, keep on going up, 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 up until now we are still at the tip top price. Okay, so Kyle, morning. Where are you right now, Kyle? Why you say good morning? Yeah, I'm in Malaysia today, so it is in evening right now. Okay, maybe good night. Okay, first, but after that, so we know that, hey, come on, it's really here right now. So based on strategy wise, right, we will say, right, okay, based on we can write on we can draw a simple trend line. We can see as long as stand still on this trend line below 106,000, we are still safe. Okay, below 106,000, mean above 106,000, we are still safe. So after looking at this, right, so we'll be studying about, hey, so what is the reason? Is it possible that the 4 year cycle is going to repeat it again? That's the first thing we need to ask ourselves. So 4 year cycle is because of from the retail market, because the retail market having its own type of own different type of mindset, which is what we call a retail mindset. When it's a retail mindset, right, we know that the price will go up. So when the price comes down, everyone start to sell, 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 sell. So it even crashed out crazily, then repeat it again and accumulate and goes up again. So it repeated this for more than 3 to 4 cycles already. So right now, we're in 2025 today and we are in September. So when we September right now, right? October is next month, November is another next 2 months. So is it going to pump up one more time and go sideways and crash down? So here we are here to talk about these topics today. Okay. First of all, I would say, right, there's no financial advice because we are in YouTube, so we need to say that. Okay, at the same time, we are in Discord, there's no financial advice. But what I want to say, it's about, guys, the first thing we need to study is about ETF. When we talk about ETF, right, which means that ETF institution money start to come in. In 2004, gold got his first ETF, right? Gold remained in bull market for 7 years, and it goes up to 4x. So which means that go after 2004, you can go back and see, you can see that what happened as in it keep on continue goes up. Okay, let us check back, go and see whether you can see or not. Go. Big charts. Can you see that? 2004 from 340 go until here 12. So it's almost about 8 years, 7 to 8 years only crash down. Got it? It becomes a bull market for the whole green wave until now. So which means that, last time, no, check and see. Gold used to crash before. Okay, go up, come down, go up, come down, go up, come down, until the ETF comes in, it continues goes up. So is it Bitcoin is going to happen again like this because ETF comes in? Yes, that's one of the things. Whether yes or no, I'm saying that I'm not so confident to tell you, but I'm here to tell you what is the solution later. So stay tuned to the end, okay? So this is what happened in 2004. Gold, is it going to repeat it again? Okay, this is what we don't know, but this is yet to study. Okay, that's the first thing. So the second thing is about geopolitical issues. Okay, what do you mean by geopolitical issues? We talk about stable coin. The state itself, it's already regulate stable coins, which means that they can unlimited printing on more USD. Okay, do you know that right now USD, they don't need one-to-one back? Last time when we had print USDT, right? We need real USD to support in the bank. so that it pairs. So when the market cap of USDT, for example, wait, why? Correct. Okay. You can see that, right? When the market caps, okay, when the market caps, it's about USDT right now. How much is it? It's about 169 billions right now. So which means that they can keep on printing it up to like 200 billions, 300 billions, or even 1 trillion. But the problem here, we are here it talks about, okay, it's about, you need to understand, right? The whole conspirations theory, it's about 169 billions. And right now, the rules and regulations stated that 169 billions, you printed it, you don't need a real 169 billion to back by it. It can be backed by bond which means debts. It can be backed by shares, other facilities, other tools, which means that today they can just print it more and they can buy more debts from the state itself. This is one of the geopolitical issues that you need to understand. You know, USD right now, the state right now, they have 7 trillion debts that they need to cover this debt. In order to reduce this debt, right, they can't be depends on Bitcoin alone. But other than this, there's nothing they can do it. They can't be repeating by keep on going for war, selling more weapons or whatever, because everyone can start to sell weapons right now. China can be selling its own weapon too. Not necessarily US. But what is the best thing today? It's about when it comes to into a finance world. Okay, China, yes, a lot of exchanges is from China, but China is kicking out all the exchanges. They don't play with the finance. But what US they do is about they keep on trying to push Bitcoin. They're trying to push the crypto market when go ups. That's the reason. So that is what the world leaders are playing. Got it? So today, right, when it comes to based on old story, like someone Vulala saying that USD no longer backed by gold. USD that like fucking freaking long ago, there's no backed by gold. It's just backed by trust. That's all. They can just unlimited printing, but they still controlled by the world organizations. But when it comes to USDT, it's no longer backed by USD. It's backed by the bond itself. So that is another story. So which means they can print more USDT to cover up their debts. So, but if you want to keep on printing more USDT to cover the debts, right? The market cap have to be bigger and bigger, bigger. You can't be like because of USDT right now it's 169 only 7 trillion debt. That is a freaking big numbers. Then they need to make this thing even crazier in prices. So that is one of the reason I would say, right? No matter are we going to repeat the cycle or not, we need to know what is our baseline. Our baseline is about, I would say, the baseline is about we don't have to keep on guessing whether the bull is here or not, whether in order by doing that, or maybe you don't have to keep on guessing that um is the bull can continue run or not. What is the best thing I would say, right? I would recommend every one of you are here. You just need to have a baseline. Like for example, I ask everyone you can buy it around 110, 109, 108. Doesn't matter as long as stands above 107. It's good enough. Okay, that's why I ask you everyone. You put your stop loss at 106,000. Okay, that's the one of the reason. Okay, in order for me, right, what I will do, you can learn from it. I mean, you can follow if you want. It's about as long as this green wave turn red color, I will sell everything on my coin. I will sell all my coins. But as long as if it's still green in color, I will still buy more. I will still buy more. Okay. Do you understand right now? This is the bottom line that I can say. This is the bottom line. And right now you can see Bitcoin start in DL, it start to turn uptrend again. If it stays above this for more than 1 day, right, the next day it is going to become uptrend. In DL, it considered uptrend. If it's considered uptrend, I'm going to tell you that a new all-time high is going to come in soon. Okay. So That's what I would say. But one more thing is about if it break to become red in color, is it going to go down another 70 to 80%? I would say this year is totally different already. You can see definitely there is a bear market, but this bear market, it is not like it's 80% drops, 90% drops out of bear market. It is maybe like 50. I would say this is good enough already. Because institution, their trust is different. Okay, they know what they are playing right now. But it still depends on the one more thing you need to refer, the shares market in the state. Because right now institution money is really ties up with Bitcoin. So it's really rely on the shares market. When the shares goes down, it goes down. But Bitcoin can be the one that go up faster than shares, but because of the market cap, but somehow shares goes down, everything goes down. Okay, got it? So am I ease your concern, guys? If you are ease your concern, type yes, let me know, please. Okay, so don't be too worried about it. Okay, it's the time you buy, you buy. Okay, even though that day I asked you to put 5% loss, right? 5%, a 5% loss, like what I'm telling you, 5%. If you put in 100,000, you lose 5,000 only. Why are you so worried so much? Isn't it? Ethereum, I asked everyone, you can buy it 3,003 that during that time. Okay, 3,003. I asked them anything below 4,002 you sell. Yep, that's all. So it is more about risk and reward than how much you're willing. So in order by doing all this right, you need to understand. I just want everyone to understand that making money is not always about the strategy that you put in, the bull wave, that how accurate it is. It is not. You know, always in all the YouTubes, okay, or the live itself, you can see that I'm trying my best to keep on asking you, I give you the best price. Yes, I think that I've given you quite a good price already. Okay, got a good price lah. But don't know, it's okay. Right now it's not 1 to 1 yet. It's not 1 to 1 yet, but it's still got it is quite a good price already. So I don't know you are making profit or not, but the biggest concern of everyone it is about not making money. The main reason is always about having too much concern or not letting go your hand. You are holding, you're trying to not even lose 5%, but you want to make 100%. That is no ways, man. There's no ways. I mean, that's impossible. Okay? If you can't even willing to lose a bit, you can't even have a big gain. When it goes to business, it goes to everything in your life. Am I right? Okay. Which means that if a lot of men here today, you're trying to get a girlfriend, if you're trying to get a wife, but you're not willing to invest first. Do you think it's possible to get a wife? No. Or maybe yes, if you're lucky. Maybe you're like two handsome guys. Hmm, a bit better than me maybe. So easier to get a wife without paying anything. Yeah. So it's an investment, guys. It's an investment. So investment, there's a risk. So you're willing to let go I mean, willing to let go your hand. That's the biggest thing. You know, every 2 weeks you can check back my YouTube. You can check back my YouTube every 2 weeks. My life, I never delete it. I really never delete it. So you can check back how much price I asked you to buy. Okay. Remember last time? 81, 79, 76, 74. Really mission completed. 50% profit. 116 we sell everything. It's already sell everything. Okay, and this is the place for you to buy again. I would say, right, guys, the later you got in, the smaller amount you will make. Okay, got it? So today, for Ethereum wise, I'm not gonna repeat it again. I would say today's topic is just more on uh, to making you sure that in these 3 months, what you need to do. October, November, December. This is the last bull market month based on history. Okay, based on history, this is the last bull market. Okay, so I'm not saying that bull market is going to end. I would say this year may be different. maybe even though it goes down a bit, it becomes bear market, maybe like 50, only 50% of going bear market. It is the short one. Okay. So in order by doing this, right, you say, David, how can I make more money? Can I go for more altcoins? Can I buy for more altcoins? For me, my hand right now, I only pick 3 coins. So you can follow if you want it. Always the top 10. So as usual, Solana, as usual, um, Hyperliquid. I did Hyperliquid. Okay, because I really like some coins that with having a lot of volumes, it is going to bring me more potential gain. Okay, and Sui. Then I got one additional coin that I kept. I mean, I bought a lot. I think Justin told you all right over in Discord. It's mental. Okay, because yeah, I just released a video in Instagram later on, maybe 5 minutes later or 10 minutes later after class. It's about Ben, the founder of Bybit, talks about mental. So remember, if you want to know about it, you go to David Yet. I need to sell a bit of my Instagram. If not, right, the view cannot going up. David Yet. Okay, please go and follow it. Hey guys, can you follow my Instagram? Guys, do you follow my Instagram? You're not following my Instagram, I'm gonna angry you, you know. Or you're not following my YouTube also, I'm not so angry because yeah, this is the way to broadcast my life. I'm still okay. But you're not following my Instagram, I will angry you. Okay? Good. So please follow my Instagram. Later I will share you some information about how what Ben said. So this is few coins that I hold right now. So am I holding Bitcoin? Yes, that is the part that I hold it a bit. Okay, not the major part. I don't believe it can go down 200k. I mean, next year, I don't believe next year go 200k. So, but I believe that Ethereum maybe can go double. I also believe that Sui and Mantle can still go double. And Sui is already went, no, and Mantle is already went up like almost 50% already. Touch wood. Okay. YouTube is called Algo Plus. Yeah. Sell a bit my every time I never talk about all this. YouTube is Algo Plus. I need to celebrate. I need to celebrate my YouTube already. Normally people celebrate the first. Normally people celebrate the first 1 million subscriber or first 100,000 subscriber, right? But I'm a bit special. I celebrate my first 1,000 subscriber. Wow, so happy. Fuck, it's a bit sad, man. But thank you so much for everyone's support, guys. Okay, so that's what I want to share today, and hope every one of you are here, guys. Remember, yes. Anything else? Yes. Congrats to those. I would say congrats to those. So fast already. 3 days already. Okay, for those already withdraw in those funded trader that got your best withdrawal, like Mainchain, you got like 19k, Little Max 18k. Wow, that's a great one. You know, last time if I want to make 19,000 in futures, it's like freaking hard, you know. But this time Mainchain, like every month you get to withdraw like 5,000, 10,000, 20,000. Fanny is like 17,000. Well, Fanny went up so fast, huh? My God, 17,000 already. Okay. That is a good, I mean, this is what I want to see. So to see everyone get to withdraw as much as they can. Okay, be part of UFC. If you haven't registered UFC, go register at ufc.unity.crypto.com. Then for us right now, we are more focusing on Fund XYZ. So if you haven't registered, if you want to trade around, you can try. If you want a smaller account, I would say if you want a smaller one, oops, haven't ready yet. Okay. If you want a smaller account, you can consider how to say Fund XYZ. Fund XYZ right now it's about the it is only having a 5,000. It's 2,000, 10,000, 2,000, 10,000, and 2,000, 5,000, 25, and only the smaller one. But why is that why we are trying to push Fund XYZ is because of it is only single phase challenge. You only need one challenge. Or CPI straight down already. What price right now? No, I'm very good. Sean, you need to go to the YouTube, you find my other videos, then you can see a strategy list. Okay, you click on the strategy list, right? Then you will see the bull wave indicator. You can get it in the indicators. You need to use the link itself. I'm very lazy to paste you the link, honestly. So just go to my YouTube. First thing you need to do is to subscribe it. That's a very important. Okay, then after that, you just go to other videos, look for the strategy list in the description but there, click it. There's a Google Sheet. So go and find the bull wave indicator. Okay, good. Done. So happy sharing for today, happy learning for today, and have a great day. Bitcoin, I mean, a lot of coin went up again today. I mean, ran up today, which is really interesting. See you all in the next 2 weeks. I see any question. Do you have any questions? I passed Pionex long time, but still haven't get the fundage. I passed Pionex. Jojo, you need to email them. You know, right now they need a lot of KYC. Jojo, you need to email them. Okay, they are freaking slow right now. I don't know why. So you must email them. Okay. So thanks, Mala, for reply. Shin say when you say if below 106 you sell your spot coin. You watched back last 2 weeks live. Okay. Jojo, you need to email them. I don't know what's wrong with them. Okay, if it's not, just ask them to refund back to you. Okay, I pass. Because Pionex right now, because this is their sub, I mean, their prop trading is a sub project, so really is very slow. So nowadays, right, like them are like, as long as I pass, I will continue trade in Pionex. If I fail, I will just leave it. I don't want to use Pionex right now. Okay, Ephraim's. Thank you so much. Okay, so thank you so much for your time. And I see no questions. Solana, what's wrong with Solana? Solana is good, I think. Solana is very good. Justin says short call it. Don't listen to Justin. He will kill me soon. Don't worry, I'm going to Vietnam tomorrow for class, so he can't kill me. Sure. Bye. Ciao.